Hello everyone. Today, we're presenting the installation guide for Dazuma's modern ultra-thin round LED ceiling light. Before you begin, make sure the power to the installation area is completely turned off. Package includes one expansion bolt pack, one instruction manual, and one modern ultra-thin round LED ceiling light. Step 1. Loosen the 4 mounting plate screws on the top of the round LED ceiling light. Do not remove the screws completely. Step 2. Rotate the mounting plate until the 4 mounting screws slide out of the slots in the fixture base. Then remove the mounting plate. Step 3. Position the mounting plate on the ceiling where you plan to install the fixture. Then mark the mounting holes and drill the holes. Step 4. Insert the 4 long screw anchors into the drilled holes. Step 5. Secure the mounting plate to the ceiling using the long screws. Step 6. Connect the fixture wires to the terminals on your supply wires. Connect the blue fixture wire to the white neutral wire, the brown-red fixture wire to the black live wire, and the yellow-green fixture wire to the copper ground wire. Step 7. Lift the fixture into place. As shown in the video, align the 4 locking slots around the canopy with the 4 tabs on the mounting plate. Then rotate the fixture until it locks securely into place. Step 8. Retighten the 4 mounting plate screws loosened in Step 1. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.